So, a collision repair facility has told you that they're OEM certified. What does that mean? First of all, certified collision repair networks are offered by many of the vehicle automobile manufacturers. These networks typically involve an agreement between the repair facility and the OEM vehicle manufacturer. Now, understand that in order for a collision repair facility to become OEM certified or OEM approved or accredited, they must go through a lot of training and they must also purchase the right equipment to fix your vehicle. It's also important to understand that just because there is a dealership that sells a specific brand of vehicles does not automatically mean that they are certified or approved by the vehicle manufacturer when it comes to collision repair. As a matter of fact, a lot of your independent repair facilities are actually, in fact, certified by the vehicle manufacturer. Now, again, what does a shop have to do to get certified, approved, or recognized by these OEM manufacturers? Again, it boils down to really two different things: training and equipment. The training could be anything from how to properly identify some of the damage that can occur to a vehicle when it's an accident. It could be training to learn how to identify and inspect to ensure that the safety systems are working properly, as well as training that is from a technical perspective. So, Danny, you were a technician at a certified repair facility. What was some of the training that you had to partake in?
So yeah, my shop invested in the training, and they had me go to the manufacturers' training centers directly. We would, first we would learn how to research and understand that vehicle that we're working on, because every vehicle that the manufacturer had a certain set of requirements or different procedures that were required to repair that vehicle correctly. Everything from the electrical system, the structure of the vehicle, even mechanical work on the vehicle, including the safety systems. Again, it's really important that we understood all aspects of that vehicle repairs. We always wanted to make sure that the vehicle is brought back to factory specification using the approved equipment that the manufacturer has required us to use. And there are going to be times that there's going to be some repair operations that we can't do in the body shop, and we would work with the actual service center of the manufacturer, and that would be at the local dealership. So again, we have a relationship with the department. We work with the parts department to ensure that we're using the correct parts for your vehicle. And lastly, if you're wondering where to verify that that collision shop is on the approved network list, you can go to the manufacturer's website and type in the zip code, and it will ensure that that shop is located on there. And if not, that means they're not a direct network shop for the manufacturer. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.